Nestled along the rugged coastline of KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa, lies the enchanting beauty of Tugela Mouth, where the Tugela River meets the boundless expanse of the Indian Ocean. The Tugela River, a lifeline for the region, winds its way through verdant landscapes and rocky gorges, its waters teeming with life. From its humble beginnings in the Drakensberg Mountains, it gathers strength and vitality, carving a path through the heart of the province. At the river's end stands a sentinel of the sea, the Tugela Mouth Lighthouse, a beacon of hope and guidance for mariners navigating these treacherous waters. As day gives way to night, the lighthouse comes to life, casting its luminous glow across the coastline, a silent guardian watching over ships as they ply their trade or seek refuge from the storm. But Tugela Mouth is more than just a waypoint for ships. It's a dynamic blend of land and sea, where the pulse of the ocean resonates through every wave, and the coastal breeze carries whispers of ancient tales. Here, the bustling ocean echoes with the sounds of fishermen hauling in their daily catch, while seabirds soar gracefully overhead, their cries mingling with the gentle lapping of the waves. Tugela Mouth's true allure lies in its natural beauty, a convergence of river and ocean, where the waters meet in a timeless embrace, a spectacle that captivates the soul and invites exploration.